In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Gmail. This feature is both practical and simple, making your emails more visually appealing and easier to read. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail and click on Compose to start a new email. This will open the composing window where you can draft your message. Ayan. Begin typing any text you wish to include in your email body. It could be a greeting, an important point you want to emphasize, or even a section heading. Once you have some text typed out, it's time to highlight it. Simply click and drag over the text you want to highlight. This part is crucial because without selecting your text, you won't be able to change its formatting. You'll notice at the bottom of your composing window, there's a toolbar with various icons. These icons help you tweak your text to better suit your needs. Among these icons, look for the one with a bold letter A. This is the formatting icon, and it's where you'll find everything you need to modify your text's appearance. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will reveal a set of additional formatting options. Within these options, one stands out as being essential for what we're trying to accomplish: the text color menu. This is your go-to for changing not only text colors, but also for highlighting, which is essentially altering the background color behind your selected text. Click on the text color option. A palette of colors should now be visible to you. What we want here is the background color section. The palette will be divided, with one part allocating colors for the text itself and another for the background. For highlighting, you'll choose from the background color options, not the text color options. Click on a color that appeals to you. Something contrasting with your text color is generally recommended to make the highlighted section stand out more prominently. And just like that, you're done. Your text should now appear highlighted in your chosen color. This capability is fantastic for emphasizing points, drawing attention to specific details, or simply making your email visually engaging. That's all there is to it. You've now mastered the simple steps of highlighting text within Gmail. This straightforward yet effective feature can go a long way in enhancing your emails. Whether you're detailing important notes, highlighting deadlines, or making your messages more engaging, this little trick is sure to serve you well. Keep experimenting with different colors and see what suits your style the best. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!